Hello, my dear children. Welcome to the learning station. Today, we will study the second chapter, Class 4 English, Neha'S Alarm Clock. Neha was sleeping. Suddenly, she heard the sound. Ring, ring, ring. Off goes the alarm clock. Neha makes a face. She covers her ears with a pillow, snuggles under a warm blanket, but she knows she has to get up. She's so annoyed. She says, "Why does the alarm clock get me out of bed so early? I wish it stops working." Suddenly, Neha's alarm clock falls off from the table. Neha smiles. She says, "Oh, my clock has fallen. How happy I am. Tomorrow, I can get up late." Next morning, there is no alarm. So, Neha sleeps and sleeps and sleeps. The little birds that sat on Neha's window sill saw her sleeping and decided to wake her up. Wake up, dear. You will miss the school bus. Wake up, dear. Wake up fast. Neha gets up with a start. Oh no, if it's not the alarm clock, it's these birds. Why don't you leave me alone? Even this wish of Neha's comes true. The next morning, there is not only no alarm clock, there are no birds either. But there is someone else who doesn't want her to miss the school bus. Who's that? Guess? Yes, the big bright sun. He filled Neha's room with a warm smile. Oh, my eyes! Now it's the sun waking me up. Why can't he let me be? Even this wish of Neha's comes true. Next morning, the sun is behind the clouds. So, Neha snores till she hears her mother's voice. Wake up! Wake up! Wake up, sleepyhead! You will miss the bus. Oh no! Why does mother have to wake me up? Oh, mother! I wish you let me sleep as much as I want to, Neha says, and got ready and left for school. Next day, Neha gets up and gets ready. Can you imagine what happens the next day? Neha wakes up with a start. Her watch says it is 6 o'clock. She calls out to her mother, "Mom, who woke me up today?" Mother smiles. "Who else? You, of course." "But I was sleeping. How could I?" "Now tell me, why do you eat your lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon?" Neha says, "I feel hungry." Mom says, "Why do you sleep at 9 every night?" "Because I feel sleepy." Mama says, "Neha, there is a clock inside you. It makes you hungry. for lunch at 1 o'clock, and sleepy at 9 o'clock. It also wakes you up at 6 o'clock. Neha says, "Oh, Mama, let me rush. I don't want to miss the bus." Mama says, "Relax, my daughter. Today's Sunday." Let's see some new words of the lesson. The first word is clock, meaning a timepiece. Usage: this is an alarm clock. Next word is windowsill, meaning a shelf below a window, can be inside or outside. Usage: a bird was sitting on a windowsill. Let's see some more word meanings. Alarm, meaning warning device. Snuggles, meaning hold tight. Mutters, meaning is speaks in a low voice. Forget, it means dismiss from the mind. Chirpy, meaning cheerful. Now, my dear children, you all know the meaning of these words, so you have to make sentences of these words. I hope the lesson is clear to you. Bye bye.